In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Calendly, 5 minutes. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently so people can book time with you only when you're actually free. Start by heading to Calendly's website and logging in. Click Login, enter your email address, then choose Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and continue again. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. From here, open the availability section. This is your command center for when people can book with you. You'll see two ways to manage your hours, a calendar-based view and a list view. Both do the same thing. Pick the one that feels most intuitive to you. If you prefer the calendar view, click directly on a date box to work on that day. Choose Edit Date, select the specific date from the picker, then add your available hours by clicking the plus icon. You can add multiple time ranges for the same day if you want, like morning and afternoon blocks. When you're happy with the times, click Apply. This locks in those hours for that date. If the list view makes more sense, you'll see your weekly defaults laid out by day. Click the plus icon next to a day to add a time range, or use the X to remove a block you don't want. If your week has exceptions, maybe you're available longer on a specific date, choose date-specific hours, select the day, set the exact time ranges for that date, and then click Apply. This is perfect for holidays, travel days, or special projects. You can also manage availability at the event level. Go to your event types, select the event you want to adjust, and open the availability tab. Click the pencil icon to edit, then use the plus icon to add the time ranges you'll accept for that event. When you're finished, choose Apply to the selected event types and make sure to save your changes. This is ideal if one event should only be bookable at certain times while others follow your general schedule. As you work, keep your typical meeting lengths in mind and aim for realistic time blocks you can maintain. When everything looks right, double check that you've applied and saved changes in each area you edited. That's it. Your availability is now set, clear, and ready to be booked.